That'll do.
Hi folks, welcome back. I think we can safely say we found the problem. So it looks as if the bearing on the shell has just disintegrated on the number one cylinder. So I think we found out what the massive rattle was. What's caused it, I do not know. But there's quite a bit of movement on them all. Not as much as the first one, which is basically just the shim shell, call it what you want, is gone. But also, I mean, like these chain tensioners, I'm not sure if they're supposed to move like that. And you see, BMW, get your act together. This is awful. I mean, there's a crack in this tensioner, it moves about. I mean, come on, this is supposed to be a high-end car. For God's sake, the car's done 73,000 miles, shouldn't be like this. Anyway, never mind, onward and upward. We'll get on with it, we'll get it stripped, we'll get the crank off, we'll get the timing chains off. So, end of the day, we've got the sump pan cleaned out. The crank, as you can see, journal to number one cylinder, is goosed. So I'll have a word with Mr. Paul Jeffries later on and see what he recommends. I think I'll probably end up, as you can see, there's no there's no bearing, shim, call it, but I don't know what you call it, I'm a plumber. You can see the shims are there on the other three, but nothing on that one. So that was what we found in the sump. Anyway, we'll have a word with Paul later, see what's what. We'll get the crank, get the top of the head off tomorrow, because I want to make sure that there's definitely no damage to any of the pistons. But number one, definitely the conrod's going to need to be changed, because there's quite a bit of wear in it. So we'll whip that off, see what's what. Also, we found the pulley is a dampener pulley on the end. I'll show you in a second. And it's got like a rubber damper, and it's all split as well. So that's definitely not helped. Could actually have been what caused it. Again, I'm clueless to know, but it's going to be replaced anyway, either way. So there just seems to be a hell of a lot of problems for a 73,000 mile engine, which has been well maintained and serviced by BMWs. This car's got a full BMW service history. So all these people that are saying, oh, full service history, it means nothing, folks, when you've got crap like this getting put into your cars. Look at this guide. It's got a split right across it. You can just about see it in the camera there. Crack right across one end of it, right through to the other end, and up the back. Well, that's about it for the day. So we'll get the head off tomorrow, see what other damage is done and whatever, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching, folks. Catch you later. Ta-ra.